Hi Virgos, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Virgos, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship. Virgos, we are picking these cards, guys. These are for your general energies. This is for your relationship, and this is for your career situation. If you want more clarity, Virgos, you can watch the pick a card love reading that will follow this general energy, so that may answer your questions or doubts you have in your situation, guys. Virgos. So let's start with these cards here. We have Queen of Swords in reverse, High Priestess in reverse, and Five of Cups. So Virgos, in your situation today, guys, it may be in your work situation or it may be in your relationship. You are passionate about certain things, guys. Maybe you are dreaming or you have goals for yourself and you are simply thinking about that all the time, and you are increasing your skills and talents to achieve on that lines. Maybe you're passionate about something creative, maybe painting or some kind of an art, and you are increasing your skills and talents towards that path. And you are someone who is really dedicated to whatever you do, and you want to make things work for you in those lines, guys. So you are putting in lot of efforts, and maybe today, though you are putting efforts and you have skills and talents, there may be certain circumstances today where people are quite jealous of you, maybe because of your talents or skills or the way you handle your situation, and they may be trying to deceive you in some ways, guys. So you need to be really careful. They may try to grab your offers or opportunities in some way and try to use your talents and skills for their benefit. So you need to be really careful with this person. So it may be someone from your work or someone in your personal life. So if you have an idea who it is, you need to stay away from this person and do not reveal anything to them, because they are not to be trusted, guys. And also in your situation today, guys, maybe in your work or in your relationship, you are worried about some things. Maybe you feel that some things have been taken from you, maybe your expectations have failed, or there may be some financial loss or some kind of incidents frustrating you. So you are simply worried for that. You do not know how to come out of this situation. You are really frustrated. But you need to understand that if you think clearly, if you see your situation from a different perspective, you are going to get clarity, guys, because there are many other offers or opportunities coming your way. You need to see that, and you need to understand that only when you give away the hurt or pain, you are going to see the present situation. The reality is going to come right in front of you, and there may be offers waiting for you. You just have to grab those opportunities, Virgos. And maybe even in your relationship, you are brooding over the past, maybe brooding over what has happened, and you are simply worried. But you need to understand that this person really wants to be in this connection with you, and they love you. They want to try to work out a way, find a better understanding with you. So whatever has happened, past is past. If you move on, you will see better things to do in this connection, guys. Virgos. So let's see what is the card for your relationship. we have Nine of Pentacles. So with this card, I see maybe you will come to a understanding with this person and things may work out in a positive way. So though you may have certain troubles in this relationship, you are going to get over those troubles and you are going to succeed in having a happy relationship with this person, guys. So let's see what is the card for your career situation. We have Ten of Swords in reverse. So with this card in your work situation, you are going to see things changing to success, guys. Maybe you were you were in some troubles, but there is a dramatic change happening in your situation today and you can be happy for it, happy for the way things are. So even in your relationship, we were speaking about changes, and even in your career situation, you are going to see a dramatic change. So something was not going so well overnight, or all of a sudden everything is changing. So that is the reading with these cards, Virgos, for you all today. Thank you for watching. If you want more clarity, you can watch the Pick a Card Love reading that is coming up right now, guys. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards. This is your first card and the first crystal, the second card and the second crystal. So any doubts or confusions, you can just close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, then open your eyes and choose the card or the crystal that comes to you first. So that way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start with the first card after a few seconds. Okay, guys, so now let's start the reading. Let's see what is the card. I will keep this card aside. So for those who chose this crystal and this card, we have Apache Tears. So with this card, it just means that letting go of the grief you are experiencing today, maybe of the past, and releasing all that pain and hurt so that you will heal from the situation today. So this crystal spirit, it does not stand for repressing your emotions or being afraid. It just helps you to accept the facts that what is happening today, and you need to release all that hurt you're feeling, all that heartache you are having. So in order to enjoy happiness and peace of mind in future, guys. So often when we are in some situation where things are not going as we planned and we feel rejected, hurt by someone, or certain things are not working according to our expectations, we really feel hurt. So we may experience a lot of pain and hurt, but we need to understand that someday when we look back at this day, we will be simply smiling because we will know the import of this situation then, guys, and we will understand that rejection is God's protection in some ways. So this crystal spirit is calling you to recognize that even this loss or pain we are bearing today will become an unexpected gift, and it will help us to live our lives more fully, lovingly and more meaningfully in future, and much more good things will come our way in our life. So we need to hold fast to the truth and see how destiny is unfolding for us in our life, guys. And we need to clear the space by releasing the past and washing away all that with our tears maybe. And we need not hold on to the old emotions. So when we clear the space, something new is going to come in our life. So that is the energy with this card, guys. The Crystal Spirits Oracle card for you all today. So thank you for watching, guys. So now let's see what is the second card and the reading with that card. So we will keep this card aside. So for those who chose this crystal and this card, we have Goose Girl, Theft. So for those who chose this card, guys, it just means that in your situation, maybe there is someone who has wronged you very badly, and they have tried to take something from you, something that is really precious for you, and they have wronged you very badly. You trusted them, but they are not someone to be trusted. But whatever you have lost, maybe even you have lost your identity, or you don't know what you are today, and you have no one to tell what has happened today. But whatever it is, truth will always shine through, guys, and justice will unfold at the right time. So you need not worry. So people who are envious are trying to take something from you, or they have already taken, or maybe for some of you, if you have taken something from someone which is precious to them, you need to understand that though you try very hard to hide what has happened, justice will surely unfold, and you can never keep truth from being revealed, guys. So at the right time, truth will be revealed. So if there is someone who has wronged you, you should understand that you are unique and your identity will never be lost, and it will shine through however hard you try to cover yourself up, guys. And you cannot be copied, and you are cared and protected for. And maybe people love you for what you truly are, your true nature, not for the possessions you have, not for the things you have, or how rich you are, or for your status. So you need to understand that. You need to understand that you are valued for your true self, not for the things you have with you, guys. So that is the energy with this card. For those who chose this card, you need to understand that truth will always be revealed, and you can never hide truth for a long time. So that is the energy, guys. Thank you for watching, guys. Watching this pick a card love reading. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.